Get back. Get back. So this was shooting the 9mm at about 10 yards. You can see the upper one, I had a little bit of a flyer and then a decent group. Same on the bottom, a decent group. Not bad. Shooting Hornady 115 grain, critical defense. Get back, get back. Okay, let's come over to our 30 caliber area and more 30 caliber 9mm, which is, approximately 38 caliber, but the 9mm Ruger LCR worked fine. Shot mostly the Hornady Critical Defense 115 grain FTX. I used moon clips with it. I also shot the Federal HST 124 grain, jacketed hollow point. These shot for me just a little higher than the other ones. Of course, they're 124 grain. Very accurate, very good trigger. I used this Walkabout holster, which I've had for a while. I usually use for my Ruger LCR in 357, but I found that it can also hold these moon clips. Now, I'm not going to say they're easy to get out of there for a reload, but they're there, and just something I was experimenting with. So, just a quick report. Had a good time here at the range. It's very interesting shooting this variety of weapons, and just kind of shows you that, moon clips can be a handy thing. So, as the Desert Boy always says, be safe out there, whatever you're doing. I just say, the reason why I even had the Ruger 9mm out here is I have been carrying it quite a bit lately. So it's another option as a carry gun if you want 9mm, but you want a revolver. And, it's something to think about if you like the LCR or a smaller, compact revolver type platform. So just something to think about. Be safe out there, whatever you're doing. Bye now.